Today's video I will show you how to change the driving modes for your cars in Assetto Corsa Evo. So to do this, first we need to bind our keys. So first we need to go to the settings and here to the controls. Here you can select the different inputs. I will choose my driving wheel. And now we go down here to this performance mode. This is what we are looking for. This is what we need to change the different modes for the cars. So let's just choose any key. I will see the D-pad, for example. Previous, next. And now let's not forget to hit on apply. Now we can go to any drive mode we want. I will choose the practice. And we need first a car to be able to change the driving mode. So some of the cars you can change the driving mode. If I'm right, if the 296, the Lotus, the Hyundai, also the Toyota, I think the GTI also, you can also change the driving mode, I'm not really sure. So once we are in the practice mode or any other mode, we press the keys we just bind. As you can see here in my car, you just press the D-pad in my example. You can see here, the car is changing the mode, so that means this is working, and depending on the mode you choose, the car will feel different. For example, more power and also less traction control and more stuff. So that's it. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.